Magandang araw mga kalabli. Nandito na po ako upang maghatid sa inyo ng mga bagong inspirasyon. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga gagawin kong video. Sit and relax, enjoy watching.
The weekend is so close but so far away. What? You guys, I don't want to go to tomorrow. I just want to sleep all week. I feel like I need a vacation. It's just sleep. That's what I feel like. And start buying Powerball tickets. And start buying Powerball tickets. Thanks for the cake. Yes, I got my pedicure done on Saturday, and I got my nails done. Damn, I can't keep up with the comments. This sucks. A lot of that stuff, I don't understand what it is when it says Lithuania. Thanks, Kyle. My wish list is my first pinned post. Step-by-step directions. You put in the name, the title of it, and the state. Bam, Gina, bam, bam. Thanks for the roses. I'm not your mother. No, I'm not Canadian. I'm American. What up, what up? Are you jealous you can't, Kathy? She's like, damn. You looked at my wish list? Cool. Yeah, I have a couple. My eyes are watery. You know, I do not. I have to go to bed soon because I have work tomorrow. I just want to come on here and say hi for a little while. I might be on tomorrow, we'll see. I promised I would come back on tonight for a little bit. Holy Batman. I like Batman. Batman's incredible. I'm not, but thank you. That's cute, Pumpkin. Thank you. Do you guys love fall? I love fall. You're watching from underwater? What do you mean? Explain. I gotta hear this. What do you mean you're watching underwater? You saw me at work today. I guess I'll never know. Are you in a submarine? Thank you for the roses. Peace. Thank you for helping me hit my goal. I'm gonna follow you, Veron. Yeah, got ya. Thank you. Did you say Nutella? Is it Nutella or Nutella? I don't know. I don't eat it, so I don't know. Can you help me hit my goal too with the donut? Thank you. You're getting followed. Got ya. Now I'm speaking English.